Hi everyone and welcome back in a new video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to turn off Mira AI on Messenger. So you just need to hold your phone between your hands and follow the steps. So first I just want you to open up your app. Alright, so let's go through Messenger, tap on it. And then I just want you to make things clear because what I want to say is I already turned the Meta AI off, so I don't have it on the search bar. For you, if you haven't turned off the Meta AI, you just need to tap on the search bar here, and then you will see an icon of Meta AI right here or right here. So what I want you to do is to click to send something on an icon right here on the top right corner, and then they will send you into for example, that's not a Mira AI, but just to say an example with it, they will send you into a conversation. So in that conversation, you just need to click right to tap on that symbol. All right, and then it will be appear to you three options right here. These ones, right? Give me a second. These ones. So I want you to tap on mute and then tap on until I change it. And that's how you can, guys, turn off the Meta AI on your Messenger. Anyways, guys, that's the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with your beloved ones, and thank you so much for watching.